Hi, I'm Mark from DEA Products, and what I'm holding in my hand is a subframe from a Dodge Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, Volkswagen Routon from years 2008 to 2014. What this part does, it holds the engine mounts that holds the engine and transaxle in the vehicle. As you can see, the only wear item on this steel part is this rubber bushing right here. Up until now, the only alternative that you would have to replace this is to go to the dealer and spend over $200 on the complete part. But here at DEA, we have manufactured a bushing for under $15 that you can repair this part and put the vehicle back into service. And I'm going to show you how it's done. First, we'll take the complete part over to our hydraulic press. And using an 1.1" socket as a pusher, we shall push the OEM bushing out. And now we will take the DEA 5542 and press it in using a larger socket as a pusher. This could probably be done in a vise with a large hammer in the same sockets. In under 10 minutes, the finished product.